What a shock! China is investing $600 billion to dig a grand canal in the desert, bring water from Tibet to Xinjiang. This is equivalent to the project volume of 8 south-to-north water diversion projects. From now on, the problem of desertification in the northwest will be completely improved. This is China's Super Water Conservancy Plan. Hongqi River Tibetan Water Inflow Project. They plan to start from the Brahmaputra River. Water is transported along the edge of the Tibetan Plateau to the desert areas of Xinjiang. The entire project is 800 miles long. It is equivalent to building another Yangtze River. The annual water transfer volume is expected to reach 2.1 trillion cubic feet. That is the net flow of water in the Yellow River in 1 year. After successful construction, northwest China will form an oasis of 80,000 square miles and 200 million acres of fertile farmland. From then on, China's ecology will undergo tremendous changes. I have to say that China's infrastructure is really powerful.